Did you know you can scan documents with your iPhone straight into the Notes app, and it's really easy to do so. So to get started, just head towards the Notes app and start a new note. Then at the bottom you see the little paper clip, just click that and scan documents. And this will open up the camera app. So if I place it above a bit of paper, it will automatically find it, like you can see, and take a scan. You can also do it for multiple pages at once. And if it's not quite right like it was at the end there, you can go in and click the little icon at the bottom, where you can adjust the sizes and the margins to make it absolutely perfect. And then when done, click the tick. Now you can see the two notes you've scanned, and if I click back at the top left, and click the tick in the top corner again, it'll take us back to the Notes app where you can see your scanned documents. And then if you click the little arrow on the left hand side, you can share it or print it or save it to your files as well, and that's your scanned document done.